Out on the streets, you don't ever it's the goddamn thing. Somebody explain why he's in the bad boy to play a grown man game. Get that ass out the plane, cause we can get that ass shit. Over all the shit, but you be sleeping in the gas. I'm on with the gas, nigga don't ask if he gets the blast. I'm blowing the match, trying to be a good man. My shit classic. Like my nigga keep the people, keep the nation in anticipation. Do it great. When he made me evil, cool, shit, the really stress. Niggas aiming at my head, but I still with my back. I don't give a fuck, motherfuckers, I'm low. They all talking with my gun, so as I pull on it, with my nephew, some millionaire. It's so easy to see. It's like McGrady, Kobe, Amy, Tony. $5 with the gold Billy collar. Dipping in my big one collar. Up and down the block, non-stop. On my hard pill to swallow. Tough back to follow with the dog father. But you can make it. Now we tell y'all don't feel the fear. Now we tell everybody. Running your mouth, really don't know who you dealing with. Here we go again. Anytime you like, now you got cats, I have your friend. Still acting up. Running around here like some brand new chickens. About to get fucked. Gang, don't stop. I'm still getting down for whatever, whenever they're trying to sort it out. Yeah, she's fair. That's what I'ma do with most of the bills. That's the time of the bill. I said blood for my people that'll keep you looking see-through. Wherever you trying to creep through. CFX. That's what we found, Walter. Can I do it, but you get money? Funny, I was just I had to hustle hard, never give up. Until I made it, now you're saying that's a clever nigga. And the flavor hit on me. I'm moving, I'm the same OG. You call me when you on top, then enemy. My niggas out the hood, but you down on us. Saying we left the hood, but can't get it out of us.